So I've been a priest for 15 years now, leader of the congregation, the Corinthian Church of South Africa. It's got about 100,000 followers. Until I had a dream. I was sleeping. And I'm hearing this voice. I was sleeping in the church. It's a small room, a small piece of room. Then I heard this voice. It says, tell your men to wear white kurtas. Kurtas. I said, oh, Muslim head. Then I said, it's just a dream. He came again and again. And the last time, this voice became aggressive now. Tell your men. Then I went. It was a congregation. I said, now I'm going to these people. I'm going to tell them. Let them believe. Then I went there. Then I told them. You know how Allah made it easy? They just accepted. All of them. Then when the next meeting came on the next congregation, everyone was wearing it. White kurtas. And all those they accepted. They accepted. 3 months ago, I made the shahada in the church. They were supporting what I was saying. They were also saying it. Those 1,000 voices saying one, giving the shahada with me. Ashhadu, Allah, ilaha illallah. We were happy. Then I saw Muslim brothers coming. I said, I've been